Hey.
Bitch, I'm blue. Say it.
I want a little baby panda. Please.
Why did it freeze? Oh, never mind. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing this Louis Vuitton look, and so I don't remember what shades I use, so please pay attention to the video. Like I'm too comfortable in my bed, and I am not gonna get up to go see what the shades are. But yeah, blend it all into the face. And like I was kind of like dragging the eyeshadow a little bit out, so I could start blending it up above the eyebrow and stuff. So yeah, as you see there. And I was using the Blood Sugar and Blue Blood and the Mini Breaker palette. Honestly forgot that I actually used the Alien palette also. So I'm dragging the light green down my eye, and I'm also using the purple on the inner corner of my under eye and blending it down. And yeah, I chose another purple, and here is me vibing to the Queens. Yeah, I've been listening to them a lot. Anyways, I cut the crease, and then I took some concealer, and I was like referencing what shapes I wanted from this bag. So that's what I did, and I didn't really bother to show a lot how to shape them, because I don't know, it was really hard. And you just gotta know how to draw them in and stuff. So I did it off camera, and I added lashes, and these are from the Glam Light from the Margaritas. And do you guys ever just scratch your eyeball, or is it just me? And yeah, and then we went into blush, and I wanted it really pink or red, should I say. So yeah. So I kept on adding blush until I looked like I had a cold. But yeah, and then I took some of the eyeshadow as bronzer, and I took this Wet n Wild lip liner, and I lined my lips with it, and I kind of filled it in halfway. And then I took the Frozen Elsa lipstick, and I just grabbed some on my finger and blended it in. And I also used the Elsa gloss too. And then I went back to the Alien palette, and I used Pluto as a highlighter. And I know it was Pluto because I used to use Pluto as a highlighter a lot. And then here's me, I don't know what's going on there. And
Can you
then
give me a makeup wipe? There should be one open.
And then here's me with the final look, and with my hair actually brushed and stuff. I was vibing, I was feeling myself. Yes, period, poo. And then here's me attempting to do TikTok dances. So yeah, enjoy. And I was kind of overhyping myself. I don't know what I took that day that made me so confident, but I was living for it, I guess. I don't know. I wish I was like that right now. Oh my god. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.